So today we're looking at some new Apple Watch bands, which is awesome. I haven't done an Apple Watch band in a long time. And these ones are from a company called Bandletic. Bandletic? Okay, so I just had a little coughing fit. I'm okay. I'm all right. Anyways, they make some watch straps for other brands as well, as you can see, right? Samsung, Garmin, Fitbit, right? You can go look at all theirs. But we're looking at two different ones here. And we're looking at the R-Lite Fit Band, which is this one on their website. And we also are looking at the R-Steele Band. Now, it looks like, at least with these ones, that they are for the bigger watch faces. So as you can see here, the 42, the 44, the 45, the 49. They have it on their box, of course, with the Apple Watch Ultra. But because of the sizes, they should work okay with just a standard Apple Watch. Again, you want to, looks like, make sure that you measure, you know which Apple Watch you have, so to make sure that the band fits. Prices wise, actually better than what you probably get if you bought an actual Apple Watch band. $31 for the R-Lite. And if you go to the R-Steele, you're looking at $45. But this one, that one's snazzy. And I think that one would look super nice, of course, with the Ultra. Or if you had an Apple Watch with the more of the silvery, the light steel, I don't know what they call it, look to it. Anyways, they come in a bunch of different colors, of course. These ones here, right? They're all black. And I think, you know, a lot of these too, I wonder if these are completely like you can wear them. No, like maybe you can flip them around so that you can wear them either way. I don't think so, because they still have to latch together, right? That doesn't make any sense. But a lot of color options, depending. The R-Lite definitely has a lot of color options. The Steel has this black and steel, orange and steel, and this blue and steel. I don't know what colors I've got, but we'll take a look. And of course, I will put them on here. So I'm gonna take this watch off, and I'm just gonna take the bands out here. I still to this day like the way that these bands come off. That's nice. Okay, let's just put you over there. So let's look at the R-Lite first. Okay, and there's the box, R-Lite. They show it with the Ultra. Nothing much else on there. I guess on the side here it has some like contact information. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's some contact information for their socials. Let's just do that. Maybe that just pulls up. There we go. All right, so this one, as you can see, this is the light, and it looks like I got it in the all black. But it is, you know what's neat about it? This is what I kind of like about it. So it's definitely has this little, that's a nicer, you know how on the Apple Watch band, normally it's just like a little, like on the sport band, it has like this little, like, I don't know, ball that comes up. That has a nicer latch. It feels because of it being that size, right? And magnetic as well, right? You can see that, magnetic. So you get a bit of both, which is all right. So let's just put that on there. See how that looks. You know, am I putting it in the right way? Probably not. That's better. There we go. So nice little click. Oh yeah, that's all right. That's snazzy. You know, and then that goes on there. Same idea where you just kind of get it into that little notch, right? But it is 100%. Oh, that magnet is nice. So you get the notch plus the magnet. That magnet is strong. And that fits in there. And I find, again, I think it's just because it's more rectangular. And that, I like that. That's all right. That fits that watch. And it's, you know, it looks like it's like a metal, but it's not. It's like, I'm guessing the larger bands here, I don't know, they feel like there's some kind of silicone or rubber or something. And of course, I'm guessing that there's magnets inside it so that you get just a nice feel. But because it has that rubbery texture to it, or maybe it's just a coating, but you have this rubbery texture, it feels nice on the skin, right? It's not like that metal on skin. Plus, that definitely looks a little more classy. And that, feel like it's not like crazy powerful, but powerful enough. And this is my thought as well. Not that it's, you know, maybe I'm, again, full of crap, but I wear one of these magnetic bracelets on here that are supposed to help. And it's not like crazy magnets, of course, but it's supposed to help with something in your blood. I don't know if it does or not, but I like the looks of it and whatever. Now you got a magnet over here too. Maybe it's doing something similar, right? Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, I like that. Yes, sir. I like that one for sure. Okay, that's good. Again, $31 for that. That's not horrible by any means. And then we will look at the, what is this one? The R-Steele. This is probably the one yeah, see, I like that. I definitely have a thing for that metal, right? I do. And then we got, so there's the box with it in there. That metal is nice. That is, because I don't know, for some reason it just feels more like a traditional, like a traditional watch strap, which I kind of like. That's all right. All right, so let's take this off so you guys can take a look. Okay, but I do appreciate that one. That's going in the watch box. Okay, so then these, of course, go on like. Oh, this one's got, just so you guys know, it's got a plastic on it. You can see when you go to put it on, it's got this. There it is. See right there, a little plastic you can take. So make sure you take that off. And it should have one on this side too. Yep. There it is. Okay. That's important. Take that off. Okay, and come on now. You can find your latch. All right, there we go. And so this one here feels a little different because of the metal, right? It does have like it's got an instant curve to it, right? Where these kind of run flush on it, but this one's got a curve on it, which, okay. Yeah, that's in there. Let's see. Same thing. It's got a traditional strap. This is like a silicone strap, but it feels heavier duty. And I do like that it's got some wording on there. Just makes it, I don't know, feel nicer. Oh, I like that too. I think I like that one the most, actually. Now, I do think with this band, because this is an Apple Watch, like 4th generation, so it's like, what, I don't know, 42 mil or something like that. I do think the bigger your watch face gets, the better this will look. Because right now, this is very, like, in line, which is good. But if you had an Ultra, like they show it, of course, on here with the Ultra. Maybe they show it here with the Ultra. Yeah, like even in this photo here, just you can see the watch itself is bigger because you go to from like a 42 to a 49. And so the band seems to fit in there a little nicer. So I do think it would look even better with the Ultra. But because this is black with silver and then black, that looks pretty stylish, right? You guys can see it here. I'll give you a little spin around. There you go. And it's solid, for sure. It's solid looking. I like that too. All right, guys. This is the Bandletic, I don't know, Apple Watch straps. But again, you can get them for Samsungs, Garmin's, Fitbits, whatever. Just watch the sizing. Make sure that you have the right watch face. And you can see here, if you go to all bands, they've got tons, right? Tons of stuff for, oh, those are nice too. That's military rugged. Fancy. All right, guys, I'll put links down to Bandletic's, I don't know, website, and you guys can take a look at the watch bands if you're interested. All right, guys, that's it. I'm out. We'll see you next video. Later.